Now that we've had a chance to finish up the population project with the spreadsheets, I'd like to go over some of the things that maybe you need to fix in case something was missing. So in this series of videos, what we're going to do is just go through the grading rubric and talk about what kinds of things need to be done. So one of the first things on the rubric, other than, of course, titling it properly and having it in the shared folder, was to make sure that the tasks were completed in each tab. And what that means is a couple of things. It means, one, that the tabs down below are in the correct order. And then two, if I go to any given tab, I need to make sure that I can see numbers are plugged in and things are complete. We want you to make sure you have these numbers so that way you can use them for your infographic. So what you might need to do is go back to the screencast about how to move around tabs. And what we should see then would be all the charts at the very beginning, and then the rest of the tabs in the order that were given to you in the template. You can do that by physically dragging and dropping the tabs back and forth and see it. If you want to look at everything a lot easier, you can click on it's kind of like the massive hamburger. It's kind of like a double, if you will. And you can see all the various tabs as well as see the order. So that's the first thing you need to do. The second thing you need to do is to make sure that when you go through the actual sheets from basic numbers on, that you've put in the name of your country and the data as appropriate. And I'm just going on down the line here, and you see these things are filled in, so that way you have an example of what it is that you might need to do too. Your population pyramid data is probably going to be a huge mess, and that's okay. It's a workspace, and we use this to generate the statistics that we have. So that is what you need to do to ensure that everything is all nice and set up here for all the tasks being done in the spreadsheets themselves.